Get ready. Start. Did riot take place there in the past? The SC in its February 25th, 1998 judgment in Ram Lubhaya case had said the right of a citizen to live under Article 21 caste obligation on the state. This obligation is further reinforced under Article 47. It is for the state to secure health to its citizen as its primary duty. No doubt, government is rendering this obligation by opening government hospitals and health centers, but in order to make it meaningful, it has to be within the reach of its people as far as possible. To reduce the queues of waiting list, the SC would like to have a fresh look at the facilities in hinterland government hospitals which have rotated over the last few decades. Let us not forget the queues before temples. In A.S. Narayana case, the SC described the queues at Tirumala Tirupati temple. Thus, Lord Venkat temple of TTD has its centuries old history. It had its glory with the patronage of Chola kings who donated large tracts of land for its maintenance and upkeep. Equally, it suffered plunder by French invaders and British Empire, which used its income as part of the public exchequer. It has regained its great glory with immense faith and devotion the people have in Lord Venkat, who visit Delhi in lakhs, wait in queues for a day for darshan for a few seconds. Did we ever hear of a riot at Tirupati temple? Last but not the least is the long queues of litigants before courts. There are 3 crore cases pending in various courts. Nearly 35% of cases or 1 crore are pending for more than 5 years. If on the average 5 persons are directly or indirectly affected by a case, then there are at least 5 crore people visiting courts periodically in search or elusive resolution of their cases. Going to court is not viewed sympathetically in India. People still look down upon on a person who often visits court, yet commoners patiently stand in queues without writing in courts while awaiting justice. The rich, famous and influential breaks these queues for justice with impunity with the help of successful lawyers commanding handsome appearance fees. The courts allow these biggies urgent hearing. This delays justice for those standing in queues for years. We hope the SC gives equal weightage to people's frustration and anger for being forced to stand before ATMs, banks, and courts for long. This is our earnest need for the justice. We hope this will be taken care of. Stop.